Struggling with belly fat that just won't go away? Want shredded six-pack abs without spending hours in the gym? Then this is the workout for you. Just 10 minutes, 10 powerful exercises. No equipment, no excuses. Let's start your transformation today. 10 exercises with brief guides and motivation. 1. Crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent, hands behind your head. Lift your upper body slightly and squeeze your abs. Remember, slow and controlled. Quality over speed. 2. Leg raises. Stay on your back, legs straight. Raise both legs upward and lower them slowly without touching the floor. This targets your lower abs like no other. 3. Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lift your feet slightly, and twist your torso side to side. Great for your obliques and cutting those love handles. 4. Plank. Get on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line. One of the best for core strength, endurance, and full body stability. 5. Bicycle crunches. Lie back, alternate touching your elbows to the opposite knee. This hits the entire core, upper, lower, and sides. 6. Mountain climbers. Start in a push-up position. Run your knees toward your chest, one at a time, as fast as you can. Cardio. Core equals fat burn and ab build. 7. Reverse crunches. Lie down, bend your knees, and lift them toward your chest. Use your lower abs to lift your hips slightly off the ground. Focus on that lower belly burn. It's working. 8. Flutter kicks. Keep your legs straight and alternate quick kicks. Up and down. Feels simple but incredibly effective for lower abs and hip flexors. 9. Side plank. Each side. Balance on one forearm, body in a straight line. Hold steady, then switch sides. Build strong obliques and core stability. 10. Sit-ups with twist. Perform a sit-up, but twist your torso to the left or right at the top. Adding the twist ignites your sides and builds functional abs. Outro. Final words. You did it! Just 10 minutes, but that's how real change begins. Stick with this routine every day and you'll start seeing results within 4 weeks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to USA Health for more powerful home workouts. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy.